Do you want to make typing text on Instagram Story? You can add typing animation in Instagram Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a typing text animation on an Instagram Story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on your story at the top left of the screen or swipe right from your feed to open the story camera. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to use as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the text icon at the top of the screen. Type the text you want to appear on your story. Next, tap on the Animate button at the bottom of the text editing screen. You will see different text animation styles and effects. Select the typing effect from the list. Your text will now appear on the screen as if it's being typed out. Use the color palette to change the text color, or adjust the font style if needed. After adding the typing text, tap on your story or close friends to share it.